Hello everyone, so today we will talk about Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. So let's get started. First of all, we will talk about this phone body. This phone body weight is a 190 gram, Gorilla Glass front, plastic frame, plastic back, dust resistance. Display 6.78 inch AMOLED 1B colors, 120 Hz refresh rate. Display resolution is 1080 x 2436 pixel and aspect ratio 20.3:9. Cheapest Mediatek Dimensity 7020 6nm. Octa-core. Memory 256GB with 12GB RAM. OS Android 14. XOS 14. Rear camera 108 megapixel with 1.8 aperture. It's perfect for night photography. Macro lens 2 megapixel with 2.4 aperture and depth sensor 2 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. Front camera is 32 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 1440p with 30 fps, HD with 30 and 60 fps. Front camera can capture HD with 30 and 60 fps. Battery. This phone battery is 4600 mAh battery with 100 watt wired charging system. Connectivity 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 5, NFC, fingerprint reader and a strong sound system. So overall this phone is nice. So that was the video for today and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.